In this video, we're going to explore how to use backwards Vlookup in Excel. So what we're going to do here is we have our column here, or table with data. We have here the mango, but what we want to do now is to grab the category, and the category is this related item here. So basically a backwards Vlookup. To do that, we will need the index and match function together or combine it to grab that value. So let's start to work with it. So we're going to say here index, open parentheses. And once I did that, I'm going to click here on the formula builder, click the upper argument. And then once we did that, we have here the array. An array refers to the data where we can find it. So in this case, this table here. Once we have that, we want to grab the row number. So in this case, mango is on row number 3 of our array. So I'm going to say here number 3, and then what is the value I want to extract from this column here? Well, in this case, we want to extract fruit. That is column 1. So I'm going to say here column 1, and you can see here the result says fruit, confirm this, and that's done. However, if I change this to water, you will see that it will not change as well because we have a hard-coded item. So that would mean that I need to change this to number 5, column number 5. Click on done, and that works. So how can we soft-code the row number nicely? Well, we already have the column index, or basically the column number, but match will help us to get the row number. So let's start to click on equal here. We type in here match to open up this function. Click here on the formula builder, so we have a nice visual. And then we're going to select here the lookup value. So what is the value we're searching for? In this case, we're going to search for water. Then we're going to select the column specifically where we can find the lookup value. So in this case, that will be this column here, this second column. We're going to select only one column because it's not allowed to have more than one column. Once we did that, we're going to indicate here the match type, and I'm going to put in 0, which would mean exact match. So we say 0, done. We get number 5 here. If I change this here now to apple, you can see here the row number jumps to the right item, or in this case the right row, which is row number 1. So what I'm going to do now is grab this entire formula, copy that, go in here, and then we have here the formula builder. It's still open. If it's not, just click on that, and then we're going to remove the row number 5, paste everything in, but remove the equal sign. So we have all of that together. Click on done, and there we are. Now we get fruit. So if I say here now water, it shows drink. And if I say here orange juice, it should show here the category of juice, and that works.